How to list product on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. If you're a dropshipper looking to expand your product offerings, eBay can be a great platform to sell on. And if you're using CJ Dropshipping as your supplier, listing products on eBay is a breeze. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. So let's get started. Now over here right now, I am currently in cjdropshipping.com and we're going to create an account that we will be using to dropship on eBay. So over here on the top right, you can see that there is a sign in and a register button. If you already have an account, you can simply press on sign in over here. But if you don't, we're going to go with register. Now after that, it will redirect us to this page over here where we can continue with our registration. You're simply going to enter your email, a password, and then click on that agree to user agreement and privacy. Now after entering the previous information, you can now enter your username, for example, Coffee World, just like that. You would need to enter your first name, last name, and then your phone number over here. Or you could actually go straight up and register using WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, or your Shopify account. Now, after creating your account, you would be redirected to this page over here. This is the home page that we saw earlier. Now, as you can see here, we have our account logged in over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to press on My CJ over here. And in this section, this is where we will be able to connect our CJ with eBay over here. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a quick tour of what is happening on our CJ Dropshipping over here. Now, in this section on our dashboard, you would be able to see inventory alerts. For example, it's going to inform you if you need to replenish your inventory. There's also source product over here, pending payments, pending CJ orders, coupons, and card. You could also see over here on the left side that we have the dashboard, which is this one over here. We have sourcing, purchase list, my photography, my inventory, wish list, custom packaging, and customization. There's also orders over here wherein it has imported orders, order fulfillment, disputes, undelivered orders, orders tracking. There's also cart over here where we can see our drop shipping orders and purchase cart. And over here on the products, this is where we will be checking out our products later on. We have connection listed. We have service products over here. And like over here, we have the products and shipment. There's also print on demand section over here where we can have the buyer's design or design myself. We're here on the authorization. This is how we would be connecting our eBay with our CJ Dropshipping. Now, the first thing you need to do over here is that you would need to create your account also in eBay and make sure that all your details are fully verified. For example, your email, your phone number, your bank, everything should be fully connected and verified before you can actually start up your store. Now, as you can see here, this is my store name, and what we're going to do now is we're going back to our CJ Dropshipping over here, and we're going to look over here on the left side. We have these options over here. We can connect Shopify, WD2C, eBay, TikTok, WooCommerce, API, Etsy, Wix, Lazada, Shopee, and all of this other e-commerce platform. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on eBay, and it will show us this section over here. As you can see, I already have it authorized and verified, and it is already activated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this for now, and I'm going to click on confirm, and we're going to add it once again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add store. And when you do this, usually it will do a verification wherein it's going to redirect you to eBay, and it's going to ask you to authorize, and that's simply it. You would be able to connect it immediately. Because I already reconnected it before, it's going to automatically authorize it directly. So this is what happened. But like I said earlier, it's just going to show you another pop-up wherein you're going to need to verify or authorize your connection with eBay. And now after authorizing or connecting your product, you're going to go back to your My CJ over here, and we're going to check out our store authorization over here and click on eBay. And this is what you would see. You would be able to see the store name over here. You could edit the non-public store name, see the token verification result, see the store status, and update time over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the home page of CJ Dropshipping. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for a product that we would like to add to our eBay. As you can see here, we have a lot of products that we could add. You could check out the categories over here if you want to find specific products that you have. For example, we're going to go with sports and outdoors. We're going to click this, and we would be able to see all the different products that is currently under that category. We could filter it by warehouses over here. We have US, Thailand, China, Germany, Indonesia, Australia, Japan, and many more. By clicking this, you would be able to add filters to your product. As you can see, there is no product under sports and outdoors in Japan, so we're going to stick with all warehouse for now. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to select a random product. For example, we're going to go with this one over here. It will redirect us to this description page of this specific product, and scrolling down, as you can see, we have these options over here. We have connect, list, sell and earn, buy now, customize, add to queue, add to SKU list, or photo request. Now, if you already are selling this product on your eBay account or in your listing on your MyCJ over here, you can simply click on connect over here, and it will automatically fill in your orders or your inventory. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on list over here, and we would be able to add this product into our eBay store over here. As you can see here, we have our eBay as our store over here. We have our listing, item left to list on eBay, 0 over here, and amount limit, just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill out the information needed. As you can see here, it is shipped from China. The category is home and garden. We're going to reselect this, going to click this, and we're going to look for the specific category that we chose earlier, which is sporting good. Or we could actually make it travel instead, because this is for a traveling outfit. And we could also add specific section over here, wherein we could add it from airline, campground, car rental, cruises, lodging, luggage, or luggage accessories, just like that. And selecting this category will allow it to be on a specific category on eBay also. So over here, we can see that we have different variants. We have 2 variants right now. We have the RP, CJ price, shipping fee, service fee, and drop shipping cost over here. You're going to add your pricing here. For example, we're going to go with 300. As you can see, it's lower than the CJ price, so we're going to make sure that it is higher. So we're going to go with maybe 500, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing for this one, 500 also. As you can see here, we have a lot of inventory. So we're going to select how much we would like to buy. For example, 10. Buy or list, for example, 10 over here. And as you can see, we are going to choose also where we would ship our orders the most. We have United States over here. There's also shipping method over here. You could choose any of this option. And after doing that, you could also see the estimated time of delivery over here, and tracking information is available. The shipping cost is $5.43, as you can see here also. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to list it now. You could also click on edit before listing, which will show you this section over here where you will be able to edit information about the product, like change the title, add new tags, change the description over here, add different images, see more variants, the shipping, and the others over here. It's very similar to the earlier page, but in this section, we would be able to edit the title and description of the specific product. And after doing that, you're simply going to click on list now, and you would be able to add your product into your eBay store over here. Now, I'm not going to do that for now because my account is not verified yet, but you're simply going to click on list now, and you would be able to start selling that specific product on your eBay store over here. You could check out your store logistics over here, and it will appear on this section over here. Now, that's it, guys. That's how you can connect CJ Dropshipping with your eBay store. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.